My name is Mark Gascoigne. I'm the CEO of Trampoline Creative Inc. from Halifax, Nova Scotia. My role as CEO is to make sure that clients basically have one throat to choke. We have been Function Point customers for 19 years. A chalk and a tablet. Excel would have been how we would have handled timesheets back then. Well, we've been using it so long. Obviously, in the beginning, it was timekeeping and the integration with QuickBooks. So it continues to be, integral to all of our estimating and timekeeping and billing. The other functions, the project management stuff, we're looking forward to getting into. Function Point have always been there for us. We were there with them in the beginning, and Chris Wilson actually flew out and helped to do some of the onboarding back in the day in 2004. So, we felt that we were loved from the beginning and been a supporter ever since. I would say do the due diligence, make sure it's the right one for you, and then really dig into all the parts of it. I think we often get distracted by picking out of what we think might be the best from each software and then just using that, and all of a sudden you have 5 different software you're using. I think the reality is that probably just about everything we need is in Function Point, and just lean into it.